Hello guys, welcome to Ankit Sunyal Wits. Today I am here to talk about the most topic discussed among medicos is as NEET exam is postponed, then how to go about it. So do not worry, I am here with few suggestions and tips. So let's start this video. The most important thing is do not lay back. This is not the time to relax. Consider this as an opportunity to add on to your preparation. Most of you would be doing your COVID duties. Let me tell you that this time your state, your country needs you, your people needs you. If you are doing your COVID duties, do it very religiously. Do not try to study during your duties. Devote yourself completely toward the patient service right now. I know it would be very hectic, but believe me, even from my personal experience, I can tell you, initially it will be hectic, but as soon the peak will go down, your duties will get relaxed. Patient admission will also reduce. You can motivate yourself by saying that, "Has ke karo ya ro ke karo, karna to hai." So it's your choice, and best choice would be to do it happily and devote yourself completely toward your COVID duties. From this point of view, that you are doing good karma, and in return you will get blessings of the patients. But simultaneously, you need to prepare for your PG also. If you are not doing COVID duties due to any reason, then definitely you have to give your 100% to your preparation. During this pandemic, choosing an online option is the best, and as I have told in previous videos also, you can go for Marrow. COVID duties may affect your sleep cycle, it may hamper your study preparation, but slowly you will get used to it and try to prepare for it during your free time, like your duty off. One of the important point is, during this COVID duties or this pandemic, everyone have gone through bad times, everyone have this fear and uncertainty, but you have to stay strong. For stress management, definitely which I'll advise you is to meditate. At least start with 5 minutes a day and then slowly increase its duration. These meditation will help you a lot to stay strong. If you remember, during our biology classes in 10th, 12th standard, we used to read about survival of the fittest. So think about that, stay strong. Whatever hard times you are going through, just hang on there. With time, it will pass and things will get better. We have to keep a positive attitude toward this. Talk with people, try to do your stress management. Do not go for burnout. Please take care of yourself during this pandemic. Now coming to PG preparation, basically, as I have already told, you will need a guidance from a coaching institute. Marrow is the best right now, and in the Marrow, like recently they have launched Marrow 5.0, which includes more of a clinical scenarios, and they are more focusing toward the clinical course, as the recent NEET PG and INI CET is also focusing on. With Marrow, you get a ready-made note. You don't have to prepare notes now. This is not the time to make notes. But what I'll advise you, this is the time to revise your notes. If you have already prepared notes, or if you don't have the notes, get the Marrow 5.0 notes and then start revising them or reading them. As the exam dates are not announced, so there is a kind of a suspense there. But do not focus on when the exam date will be announced, then you will start preparing. Just keep it as 30 days or 60 days in your mind and start revising. Divide all the subjects and give them particular days for revision. Give importance to the short or the more of the clinical right now, and focus on revising write down key important points. You make sticky notes, put it on your wall, put it on your laptop, mobile, and while traveling or while even having food, if you want, you can definitely go for revision through these sticky notes. NB has reduced their question paper to 200 questions, and keeping this in mind, Marrow have redesigned, and there's a new question bank in the app with 200Q, and you can definitely go for it. This is a time where you can keep doing your mock tests, keep giving grant tests. This will maintain a consistency and to focus for your exam. From this June onwards, Marrow is starting marathon, in which there's a goal to do 5 modules a day for 30 days. This will give you another motivation to keep practicing your question and answers and to focus on your exam. And definitely do not miss the live sessions taken by Marrow faculties in the Marrow app, and that will be a very quite beneficial for you. So see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe. Bye bye.